Hello and welcome to another update video about Decentraland Mana. I made one update video today already. Since then we have dropped. I made the update video when we were around 370, 380. I did say to you that I would expect a retracement because we were overbought, and it just shows again how well oftentimes the RSI can be used in the crypto market. I find that the MACD can be helpful, but for cryptos very much the RSI is very helpful to determine, when is a cryptocurrency overbought. And when I made the video, I said clearly that I expect a little bit more consolidation before we can continue our move to the upside. I definitely expect further moves to the upside, but because the RSI was overbought on the 1 hour, you can see that here. Yeah, we had an overbought on the 1 hour. Now that has been reduced now. On the 4 hour also, we were overbought. Now that has been reduced now. And I think even on the daily, we were overbought. Yes. So that's still the case where we were just getting into the overbought range. Or I think we were actually overbought, but that has been reduced down. We're not overbought anymore, but we are pretty much at the 70 line, just below that. So let's go back to the 4 hour chart. Just want to show you these indicators and how well they're actually quite reliable for cryptocurrencies. Yeah, not only for cryptos, for other assets as well. Now we're retracing a little bit more than I expected, because we did climb above the 0.382 fib level today. You can see that here. That's the 0.382 at 335. Now I did say that I would expect a bit more consolidation, maybe a retracement between that 382 fib and the 0.214. Bit of a sideways move. Now we dropped now a little bit more, and we could also see a little bit more retracement because we fell below that main fib level here. Might retest it currently from below and then even drop a little bit further. But yeah, it was definitely worth taking a look at the RSIs to get an understanding of where we were in terms of being overbought. And generally, really, you can't be in an overbought range for too long. The market can hold it for a while, but when you overbought on all three major time frames, that's a clear heads up that something is coming. Now we can take a look at the latest move here. Take a look at the smaller fibs, just to get an understanding where we could now go down to. And from that move, actually, you can see that we're currently also going down to here, the 329. That is the 0.382 fib level from that move as well. Now, again, we're slightly below that, so we could come down to 313, which is the 0.5 fib level, which is also, you can see that here. This was also support level back here, yeah, yesterday. So I wouldn't be surprised to go back to 313 maybe, and maybe even $3. That is the golden pocket. That wouldn't even be a problem. Could go down to $3 again before we then set up for continuation to the upside. But overall, I think the market is pushing higher. We broke out of that bull flag, of that major bull flag. If I zoom out, you can see it. Here you can see that major bull flag here. And it was extended. It was extended longer than I originally assumed. It already looked like a bull flag back here when we were here, I think around the 5th of November. Now that was extended then in the end. Doesn't matter, still a bull flag. And we now broke out to the upside. And expect further price increases, but in my view, this is a short-term noise, short-term retracement. What happened? The other cryptos were suffering a little bit. Mana pumped. Money went into Mana. Now it was overbought. Money flows out of Mana back into the other cryptos. If you take a look on CoinMarketCap, a lot of other cryptos are currently going higher, doing quite well, which wasn't the case earlier today. So yeah, that's just that moving money from coin swapping, basically moving money to other cryptos that are a little bit undervalued or oversold or whatever. But yeah, looking good for Mana, just a bit of a retracement. And to be honest, this could be a bull flag, a smaller bull flag now. After that move here to the upside, what you could potentially get here is something like that. Yeah, maybe a bull flag, have that flagpole here, get a bit of consolidation, maybe a little bit low, maybe to that $3 level. Honestly, I told you, to the golden pocket, and from then on, you could potentially, we could take the length then of that flagpole here. And I'm just thinking, did I gave you? Don't worry. So have that flagpole here. Take the height of that. Just try to be a bit more accurate here. and to a potential breakout point here, then, you know, at some point maybe there, that could then take us to 450 or something. But these price targets, always take them with a pinch of salt. These price targets of these patterns, my experience, they are rarely reliable, especially in the crypto market. In other markets, they work better. The crypto market, because that market is so dynamic and so volatile, they are not too accurate. If you take a cup and handle or whatever, these rarely work, honestly. What works better are fib levels. But anyway, I think it's looking good. Further continuation expected. Just now, retracement after being in the overbought range. Hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.